What's up, superhero crypto ninjas? It's been a hot minute since I brought you in one of these videos where we review the newly listed coins on CoinMarketCap. Well, I'm back at it today. I have been checking. Most of them have been ship projects, but I think it's time we catch up and review 20 to 30 projects today. So without further ado, let's get started and check out. Probably, I'm assuming most of these will be ship projects, but again, no offense if I analyze your project. It's mostly to give you guys constructive criticism so that you guys can use these things that I'm talking about and get your team to either change the website or upgrade it so that you guys get more conversions. So without further ado, let's get started. So first up, we have Best Luck token. Check this out. It looks like a gambling crypto. So it says player 777, we're going to change your future weekly. Okay, I don't personally invest in casino or gambling projects. I do invest in sports betting, but not slots like this. So I'm very curious. Is this just slots? So invest, win, spend. Let's see if there's a team behind this. Probably not. What's their mission? Okay, there is a team, or there's two people. Without LinkedIn, so that's kind of sketchy. And this writing is pretty weak, so this shows me that the team itself is weak. I will pass on this. Next up, we have Rex. Rex, unbank yourself. Crypto investments for everyone. Simple, flexible, secure. Okay. Rex was created to revolutionize the crypto market. A bottom-up revolution. Okay, so they are very generic. Most cryptocurrencies was, again, invented to unbank yourself. So they're just reiterating what most people already know. So auction days left. I don't understand any of this. So this team's doing a very poor job at explaining what they do. Auction for what? Okay, let's see if safe and future assured harbor for your assets. The aim of Rex is to provide everyone with a simple, safe, and maximally flexible investment tool in cryptocurrency. Rex is not aiming to attract risky speculators and venture capitalists. Okay. Fixed term investment with maximum. Okay. Again, so if you're listening to this, the first above the fold portion of your website is meant to convey everything. So you have literally 5 to 30 seconds to capture an investor's attention. Right now you're way too generic, which makes your next section even more confusing for me to understand. So let's just check out the video and see if it's something. Feels like a horror movie trailer so far. Oh my god, that was so bad. It was so bad because they spend so much time worrying about the cinematics but not about what the fuck they actually do. So let's check out the FAQ. I love FAQs on projects. So what is the Rex project? Yeah, let's answer that first. Rex is a set of decentralized, unchangeable, and irrevocable smart contracts. Okay, they are way too generic. Just I will pass on this, even though it seems like they've put in a lot of time and effort. They just are doing a horrible job at conveying what they do. Okay, next up we have Rise of Empire. Okay, it looks like some sort of meme on the BSC. You guys know I don't love BSC. There's a lot of rug pulls there, not necessarily meaning that you guys are a rug pull. They also are not a native English team, it looks like. A free play to earn multiplayer web game. Okay. Based on Romance of Three Kingdoms characters. Okay, so maybe Romance of Three Kingdoms is a popular thing. I don't know. I don't play that game. I'm gonna pass on this. It's not something I would invest in. And for a game, it doesn't look very good. There's way better games you guys can check out, like WagMe in my previous reviews. Okay, next up we have HeadStarter. HeadStarter, the project accelerator and launchpad of the Hedera Hashgraph ecosystem. Okay, so we have another Launchpad. I don't love Launchpads, again, because you guys know that you have to lock up a large amount of tokens and you get a very small percentage of the overall allocation of the IDO or ICO or whatever it is typically, especially if the project blows up. Like, okay, they have a big team, obviously, for a Launchpad. That's great. It looks like they're all doxed. Again, check out their LinkedIn. So let's just check out the LinkedIn of the top person, which is the founder. Hopefully he has a lot of reviews and references. So he's got a lot of connections, a lot of followers. That's great. A lot of work experience going all the way back. Awesome. See if he has any. No recommendations. He's given a bunch, which is cool. Yeah, he's given a bunch for a while ago, but he hasn't received any, which is fine. That's okay. Ideally, he had some, but looks like he's got a legit profile. So that's awesome to see. Again, fully doxed team. Again, I don't love Launchpad. So team, if you're watching this, please let me know how you would solve the issues that I mentioned with small allocations, especially if you grow big, and then large amounts of your token, I'm assuming, needs to be locked. Okay, but let's leave this up there just because they have a strong team. So for right now, they are one of the top ones we've reviewed. Next up, we have Erth Point. So Erth Points, I don't know why they didn't just call it Erth. Rewards for Erth is the name of the company, but they have Erth Points without the A. Giving you extra value from your everyday shopping. Okay, that's cool. Quite a generic looking website. Everyone benefits from rewards for Erth. Okay, so you get discounts. I guess you can donate to charity. Okay, they're trying to do everything, which is interesting. Supporters win. Make a purchase at any participating business. Okay, I wonder what their participating businesses are. You receive points. Your favorite CCC. Okay, this team needs some help with design and copywriting. So if you're interested in hiring us, please reach out to us in the email in the description below. We'd love to help you. Again, you guys know I love sustainability projects. Anything that's helping humanity is a very rare project. So the fact that most of them suck at copywriting and design is unfortunate, but it's something that we can definitely help with. So Erth points, loyalty marketing points. Okay, it's basically loyalty marketing points that help the Erth. Okay, that's cool. Let's see which businesses they're affiliated with. So plastic cleanup, ocean rejuvenation, probably the 7 pillars of the UN, I guess, like that. See. Yeah, reforestation. Yeah, I love this. I absolutely love this. I don't know, do they have a team that's docs? Let's check it out. About us. Yeah, the website definitely needs a lot of work. Oh god. It's typical design for this type of project. To enable every person, CCC and business. I don't know what CCC means. Maybe I'm ignorant, but okay, here's the founder. So I wish the team was on the front page, and let's see the founder. I love when the founder talks about the vision. Okay, it's a very short video. I don't know why he didn't spend the extra minute to explain a little bit more about what he does, but it's nice to see that the founder's on here, even though it doesn't show his name at all, which is sketchy. This could be a total scam, to be honest. Like, where is the founder? Let's give this a half star. We'll leave it up there. But again, sketchy, be careful. The founder doesn't have his name on here. There's no team on here. Let's see. Okay. Oh, businesses. I want to see who's involved in the businesses so far. It will give me a sense of their ability to make partnerships. Okay, I mean, it looks like they're legit. It's just one sketchy thing is that the team is not on here and the founder's not on here. His name. Let's move on. All right, next up we have Hero Blaze, 3 Kingdoms. You just check this out. No. Okay, this looks good. The art on this looks amazing. Let's check out the video. For some reason, the video's not. Yeah, it looks great. I like it. Too bad when you close the video, team, it continues to play, so that's annoying. Make sure you fix that. Game download, I will not click on that yet. Exchange rate, okay. Token, swap. I hate this, how you guys have all this information about the token. That can be later on. For now, you're trying to sell me the game because your short little video didn't really fully sell me the game. So, and there's also no team, which makes this a little bit sketchy. There's a lot of partners and investors, but there's no links to these. So again, it could be a scam. I don't love how the team's not on here. There's absolutely no reason that the team should not be on here. I'm going to pass on this, even though it does look decent. The artwork looks nice, but again, missing the team and not doing a great job in conveying or selling you more on the game. So this was cool back in 2017 with ICOs, where you could just basically put your white paper up here. But for now, we want actual companies that are focused on the actual product, not just making money. So for that reason, unfortunately, Hero, I will pass. Next up, we have DOGEDIGGER. So a meme coin, DOGEDIGGER. This looks hilarious. Hey, I'm the real DOGEDIGGER. Digging gold all the time. Okay, I don't invest in meme coins, but if they look really cool, there could be a chance that if you're a speculative gambler, you could put a small amount of money in this. I would not. This is not the best looking meme coin I've seen, but hilarious concept. Pass on that. Next up, we have Krabots. Build your own robot and rule the world. Okay. Crafting. Okay, Krabots. Krabot parts. This reminds me of Crabola, which was that game on Avalanche, which did pretty well. Okay, they have a team with no LinkedIns. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like a native English team either, but the website looks just okay. I personally wouldn't be investing in this game. They're all also coming soon, so they have a little bit of work to do, and I just don't love, like, I'd rather invest in like more nerdy games, to be honest, not like fun games like this. Okay, pass. Next up, we have BMAX, which links to bittrue.com, which looks like an exchange. Again, I don't love new exchanges, too sketchy if they haven't established themselves. We already have big players in this. I don't see why you would put your money on a small exchange like this. So pass. Next up, we have Biblecoin, leading the church to the new Web3 frontier. Okay, that's cool. I've never seen a project that does anything to do with the Bible or religion, so this is cool. So transparent donations is obviously something that we need, which is great on the blockchain. Empowered missionaries. Churches and philanthropists will be able to support missionaries from different parts of the globe. Okay, so donations. Accessible contents. Members and partners of churches will be able to grow, so that's cool. So video content, I'm assuming. Training. Equipping the church with modern technology. Okay, that's definitely needed. So this is a very great project. Let's see if even the way of conveying it is not the worst. Like the design and copywriting is clear. It's very basic, but it's very clear, which is great. Okay, so Nikolay, the CEO and CTO of Biblecoin. Okay, it's too bad that there's no LinkedIn's and it only has their first name. Looks like they're trying to stay anonymous. That is sketchy for me. So unless the team gets a really strong layout and feature on here, this to me is probably too sketchy to invest in, although I do love the idea. Absolutely love the idea. I'm gonna leave this up there and maybe give it a half star, but if there's any inspiration that wants to be taken from this with a stronger team, this is probably a necessary thing to solve a problem, which is not the transparency of donations and also the accessibility of course content. I can see that working really well. I don't know the tokenomics of all this. Looks like they haven't really dived into that, but team, if you're watching this, please reach out to us in the email in the description. I'd love to have an interview with you guys. All right, next up we have Fast to Earn. Oh my God, another to earn. Fast to Earn is a utility. If you guys haven't seen my why X to earn sucks or play to earn sucks, please watch that. You'll realize that most of these are gonna fail. Okay, Fast to Earn is a utility token with a mission to provide powerful tools to stay ahead of the competition. Okay, when they need to write stuff like this, and they're not very clear on what they're doing, like again, it should be just be benefit video of your team talking about it, but I'm assuming you're doxed. Yeah, I'm gonna pass on this. This looks like shit. Pass. Next up, we have MemeNation, another meme coin. Get rotating rewards with MemeNation. Okay, the design doesn't look the best. Sheep Doge Floki. So whenever somebody buys or sells MemeNation, you automatically get one of the top 3 meme coins. Okay, that's kind of cool. I like the idea. I just don't invest in meme coins. So for now, I'm going to pass, especially in this type of market. Maybe in a bull market, you might invest in some meme coins, but for now, bad time to launch. Not the best project. Next up, we have Qommodity with a Q, Qommodity, creating legacy. Okay. I hate when they start with like generic things like this. Oh, creating legacy. It doesn't make you want to read on. So it should be a very clear benefit. Mission. Our mission is to facilitate the largest transition of wealth in history of mankind by making the untapped resources suitable for monetization. Making these untapped resources. What untapped resources? In doing so, we aim to give people from all over the world a chance to access. What resources are you talking about, man? This is the problem. What resources? The font is way too small. Okay, the team's on here. No LinkedIns, but they do look legit. So please add your LinkedIns on here, team. I still don't know what resources you guys are tapping into. We will combine the traditional industries of finance, exploration, and mining with new technologies. Okay, so mining, is that what you guys are doing? Brand ambassadors, soccer players? You guys are doing a pretty bad job in conveying what you do, but I do like that the team is on here. And again, reach out to us in the email below. We can definitely help you guys out. But for now, I will pass. All right, what else do we have? We have a couple more projects. Ace Cash. Join Ace Capital Ventures in their hunt for the next crypto unicorn. Okay, Ace Capital Ventures is an elite community of HNIs, financial influencers. Okay, so looks like they're doing something like I'm doing, trying to get you guys early in on awesome projects. So do you want to join this? Looks like there's no team, unfortunately. I would say stay away from anything like this that looks like it's supposed to be professional, but there's no fucking team on here. So pass, could be a scam. Next up, we have Inu Inu. Okay, double the Inu. Okay, this looks bad, pass. Then we have Metaverse World. Okay, a highly free metaverse world. The design looks really bad. It's hard to read this. Okay, so it's allowing you to host a metaverse game engine. Or it's a metaverse game engine that allows anyone to host, but like the copywriting and everything's on here is really bad. The graphics look pretty bad as well. Just the overall layout. You can tell, like, if you guys can't tell a project based on the website, like whether it'll do well, this is why you should watch these videos, because this looks like shit. There's also no team on here. And the FAQ, again, look at this. It's really hard to read. So, and nobody's gonna play a metaverse world that looks like shit, so I will pass. And finally, today we have Kyoto protocol. Let's check this out. The world's first decentralized finance carbon credit. Oh, okay, another carbon credit company. We improve and accelerate the outdated carbon credit industry through our profitable refi solution. Don't love these, seen a lot of these. Nothing's really made a dent or been successful. I wish in the beginning they would list why they're the best carbon credit company, because there are so many of them. Again, if you don't know your competition, then you don't know what people are looking for. Let's see if they talk about what makes them better. Okay, we sustain the APY of our token through hardwired taxes and external. Okay, this to me is bound to fail. I'm sorry to say that, but I don't know if the team's on here. Again, I love sustainability things. It's just nothing's really proven itself. And again, there's nothing on here that tells me what makes you guys so different than the other ones. So for that, I will pass. Okay, in summary, today we have 1, 2, 3 potential ones. Nothing that really stood out as a huge winner. So we have HeadStarter with a Launchpad with it looks like a strong team. I don't know what Hedera Hashgraph is, but if you can get early on this, it might be worth it, especially with the bull run. Again, I'm not saying Launchpads are not profitable. They definitely are. It just depends on the allocation size. So for example, BSC pad, a huge one for BSC projects, you would get a super small allocation even though you're holding a shit ton of their tokens, just because the sheer amount of people that are waiting for these new launches. But if you can get early in on this, maybe buy the token when it's low, it might be worth it. Again, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research. And then we have Erth, which is a cool company. Unfortunately, the team is not fully on here, but it looks like they've done a great job in explaining. They have a lot of different pages and stuff like that. And if they can pull it off, great, but I'd love to see a team on here. Again, the founder video is kind of shitty, it was too short. And then we have Biblecoin, which I think solves a great problem with transparent donations, as well as like making all the church and Bible stuff on the blockchain. We know there's a lot of different communities on there with videos and stuff. Like Alpha, for example, is something that I did, even though I'm not religious. I think it needs a place to store that. And I think Bible Chain, even though the .com looks bad, it's they didn't get the BibleChain.com, I guess, which is unfortunately, but I like the name. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you like and subscribe. I will see you guys later. Peace.